PEPE price update starting on the daily chart. Then we're going to zoom out to the weekly. We're going to look at Fibonacci extension levels. How high could PEPE possibly go this cycle? We're going to look at that and more starting up right now. So let's get right to it. Daily chart here, right? What we like this pattern after consolidation at our highs from May all the way down to our lows from August, right? What do we notice? Well, it's kind of this rounded formation, right? We just broke the lid line. Yesterday, at the daily close yesterday, new all-time highs. We're in price discovery, so nobody really knows how high this could go. You want to look at volume. Did you get a volume breakout, right? Did we broke out in price? You want to see high volume, much higher than normal. Did we get it? I'm glad you asked. Yes, we did. Multiple days. I would say a week in a row. Look at that volume at the bottom. The average is that blue line. Well above average. Excellent to see. That's what you want to see when you see these new breakouts. Okay, so more good news. How high could we go? Price discovery, nobody knows. But the 1618 is right up here at this 3364 level. So from current prices as of recording, we have about 50% to go to get up there. So let's go look at the market cap. You got to understand where the market cap is if you want to know how high something could possibly go. So we're just below 10 billion market cap. Now, Doge in its heyday, at the Pico top, any meme coin, the record is just shy of 90 billion, as astonishingly as that is. So could we overtake that? Could we go to 100 billion? That'd be a 10x from current prices to overtake for number one. Is PEPE the one to do it? Possibly. Let's go see where that lines up. If we go much higher, right, we have 50% move here. But what about the next Fibonacci level? How about the 2618? Is that within realm? Well, from current prices, remember we're roughly at 10 billion. Well, that's only just over 4.5x away. Once we get here, no big deal. 4x, could we potentially do a $40 billion market cap? $50 billion market cap? Absolutely. A couple of memes have already done that. 40 billion, 50 billion. So the 2618 is up there. But I like to use multiple Fibonacci levels from way back in history and current moves. So more recency biased here, but the big one is back over here. Now, what do we notice here? Right, let's go out to the weekly so we could see a little bit cleaner of a chart here. We'll get it zoomed out. All right, so here is our bear market, or like start of the bull market, really, right? Our highs to lows. And the Fibonacci here, right, the 2618 are really close to aligning. So I would put that as definitely a warning shot if we get up here. You'd probably want to be taking some profits and you have back-to-back Fibonacci levels matching up here. Beyond that, we have the 3618 at the almost 30,000, right? The 29,000 level. Let's see where we are from that. Could we possibly get up there? Now we're starting to stretch here, right? It'd be not only a record, but a record and then some, right? We'd be a 13x from current prices. That's a little bit out of the realm, right? Or a lot out of the realm. If you're looking at meme coins, to think you're going to get over a 100 billion market cap is kind of far-fetched. From the lows, we're currently up this cycle 3,700%. To get to the 1618, we'd be up 5,500%. To get to the 2618, roughly 17,000% over 170x. You see how it starts to get a little bit ridiculous up here, right? Could we potentially do it? Maybe. It'd be like one of the best performers ever, right? PEPE would have to be known globally by your grandma, right? If your grandma asks you about PEPE, okay, maybe it's up here. Beyond that, right, there's some math-based kind of hopium or anti-hopium, depending on how you look at it. But nonetheless, like absolute price discovery mode, PEPE can move when it wants to move. Last price breakout, right? Continued for a while. Got a little bit of a retrace back to the 21-week EMA. Consolidation after, the market highs, right? And now we're back up again. So don't fade it, right? The volume is there. 1618 is 50% higher than current prices before we could maybe get a chill. Now the 1618 back here did a pretty damn good job of calling the previous high local top, right? Look at the 1618 here. We're almost right to it. Maybe we go up here for Pepe. Now, alt season hasn't even started yet. So maybe we do have a shot to get up here. I don't know. Maybe Pepe's the one this cycle. I know if you're holding Pepe, you probably want to hear that. But just looking at the charts here, right, trying to be as unbiased as possible. 1618, 50% higher. Did pretty good last time. So maybe we go up here, hang out for a couple of weeks until alt season starts, and then maybe Pepe does something extra special. Who knows? Gaussian channel on the weekly, well below us. Look at that. We bounced right on top of the channel and bounced right off of it. Excellent sign. All things good for Pepe. Thoughts, comments? What else do you want to see? Any more meme coins? Do you want more anything else? If you want more help navigating this cycle, you want more analysis on all kinds of crypto coins, you want to get your requests in, consider subscribing through Patreon. It's linked below. Our private access Telegram alerts group, the silver tier. That's where you want to be. Great bunch of people in there. And we do updates every day, all day. All right. Let's get to our quote and card of the day. Quote of the day. Real riches are the riches possessed inside. Speaking of riches, how about a shiny red Dodge Viper on a spinning display? I'll take it. This is about Dream Garage, right? If it's a garage, could be a museum. We hope it's a museum and not someone's garage, right? You're just showing off now. All right, there's the rear coming up. There you go. Move my face out of the way. There you go. All right, that will be it for Senior Pepe. Pepe might be driving one of these. If you're going to do another 10x, you go to 100 billion market cap, there's going to be a lot of these. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching this long if you have. 47 gold stars. Peace out.